You have a killer video. You spent 3 hours editing it. You post it on your main TikTok, and it hits the For You page. It's a banger. Naturally, you create a new account to double dip on the traffic. You upload the exact same video. Result? 0 views. You try posting your best photo to the OnlyFans subreddit, then the petite subreddit, then gone wild. Result? Removed by Reddit spam filters immediately. This is the hash match algorithm at work. Platforms scan every file uploaded. If the digital fingerprint matches a file in their database, they mark it as duplicate content and kill your reach. You are Shadowban. OnlySpoofer claims to be the digital plastic surgeon. It promises to alter the DNA of your files just enough to trick the AI into thinking it's brand new content. But is it worth $49 a month? I tested it on a batch of burner accounts. Here is the truth. Let's scroll down to the first section. What is OnlySpoofer? Do not confuse this with a scheduler. OnlySpoofer is a content mutator. When you upload a file, it strips the metadata, adds invisible pixel noise, and shifts the color grading imperceptibly. It changes the digital ID of the file. The goal is simple. Take one winning piece of content and post it to 20 different places as if it were 20 unique creations. Now, look at the key features section. I ran a test. First, Reddit multi-upload. This is where the tool shines. I uploaded one photo and asked for 10 variations. 10 seconds later, I had 10 files. To the naked eye, they looked identical. To the computer, they were different. I posted variant A to one subreddit and variant B to another. Both posts stayed up. Usually, Reddit catches the second one instantly. This means instead of taking 20 different selfies, you take one. You multiply your reach by 20x. Next, TikTok video spoofing. This is riskier. Look at the text there. TikTok's deep packet inspection is world-class. The tool alters video speed by 1% and applies an invisible overlay. OnlySpoofer includes a detector to check similarity. I posted a safe video to a US targeted account. It hit 2,000 views. Not viral, but not zero. It bypassed the immediate shadow ban. But we need to talk about the risks. Scroll down to the risks section. We need to have the talk. OnlySpoofer is an arms dealer in a war against algorithms. Risk number 1, quality loss. To change the hash, the tool must degrade the quality. I noticed a slight grain on photos at medium strength. If you are a quality snob, you will hate this. Risk number 2, the hardware factor. Spoofing the content is only half the battle. If you upload safe content from an IP address that is already flagged, you will still get 0 views. You must use residential proxies. So is it worth the money? Scroll down to pricing. It's $49 a month. Compare that to production costs. If a model charges you $100 for a custom video, and you can only post it once, your cost is $100 per post. If you spoof it onto 5 accounts, your cost drops to $20 per post. Let's look at the pros and cons. The pros? It is a massive time saver for bulk processing. It is the Reddit king. The cons? It degrades quality, and it is a gray area tool. You are violating terms of service everywhere. So, what is the final verdict? Scroll to the bottom. OnlySpoofer is not for everyone. If you are a solo creator scared of losing your account, stick to filming original content. But if you are a traffic architect running a burner account strategy, this tool is essential. My recommended stack is listed there. Use OnlySpoofer on burner accounts to generate traffic, funnel them to Instagram, and monetize with inflow. I've put the link to OnlySpoofer in the description if you want to test it yourself. Just promise me you won't use it on your main account. Smash that like button for more gray hat marketing reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.